Hi and good afternoon. And today we are talking about time. This is our last segment on time and your work injury. And the question today is, when's the best time to talk to an attorney, or more importantly, what should you not wait for in order to talk with an attorney for your work injury? My name is Britton Morrell. I'm an attorney here with Kaplan Morrell. I have been helping injured and disabled workers in Colorado since 1995, and we would love to be able to help you. So please feel free to contact us. Watch toward the end. I'm going to give you a link to text us to get a free fact sheet on 5 ways injured workers get screwed, and they don't even know it. And if you like this video, please like it, share it, subscribe, etc. So without more further ado, let's talk about some of the most common things that I hear from injured workers, especially when they call me and it's too late to help them because their case is closed and they don't even know it's closed. That's the frustrating thing about it. They're like, well, wait a second, I didn't sign anything, or I didn't get a check, or I didn't agree to having it closed. And the rule is it doesn't matter. Insurance companies can close your claim by sending paper, and here's the problem with it. That piece of paper, it's called a final admission. We've talked about it. We can certainly put links down below for some of our videos on final admissions, but it doesn't look really important, and it's really hard to understand that piece of paper is very different than the other pieces of paper, the mountains of paper perhaps that you've received. And so even this week, for example, I was talking with a fellow, and the insurance company, for example, had paid him, these are actual numbers by the way, $17,000 for his shoulder injury. It was a surgical shoulder injury. And the insurance company had an option. They could have paid him according to one formula where they paid him $17,000, or they could have used another formula where they would have had to pay him $70,000. Which one do you think the insurance company used? And you're absolutely right. If you picked the cheaper one, they absolutely did. And they filed this piece of paper. He never recalls getting it. Maybe he got it. He's getting a lot of mail. And 30 days later, it closed. And I said to him, I asked him, why did you wait? Why did you wait to talk with me? Please, please, I wish you could have talked with me, because it's literally a $53,000 mistake. A $53,000 mistake. It made me sick to my stomach. And he said, well, I was just waiting for what the doctor would say. I was just waiting to see. I had asked some questions from the doctor, and I had asked the insurance company, the adjuster, for some questions, and she said she would get back to me, or he said he would get back to me. And then the following week, I didn't hear anything, so I emailed, and they said they were sorry, they were blah, 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 very busy. And, and it wasn't until now that I finally got tired of waiting. And what happened was the insurance company was running out the clock. Because once that 30 days passed, yeah, sorry, I'm sure you would love to do X, Y, and Z, but it's not going to happen because your claim is closed. So the best time to talk with a lawyer when you get injured on the job, frankly, is as soon as possible. Even if you don't think you need a lawyer, even if you think that everything is going fine, even if you think the insurance company is going to respond or the doctor is going to respond, give us a call, talk with us, because we're going to offer free consultations to you. And there are several times when I'll talk with a client, or not a prospective client, and I'll let them know everything is going pretty well. I'm not going to be able to move the needle for you. But don't wait, and please, please do not wait for, while I was waiting for the insurance company, I was waiting for the adjuster, I was waiting to see what the doctor says, because that's not going to help you. And oftentimes they're either too busy, or they know exactly what time clock is ticking away until it's too late for you to change the needle, and by then it's too late to talk with us. Also, it's good to bring us in at the beginning, because if I can help you avoid making mistakes, doing things that you wouldn't think would affect your rights but actually do, that is so much easier. There's a great proverb which is, a minute of patience equals decades of peace. And so I would just change that to just being informed. It will avoid so many other problems down the road. Will make your life and your road to recovery easier. As always, if you watched through the end of this video, please give us a text at 970-356-9898. Ask for the free pamphlet on 5 ways injured workers get screwed and don't even know it. And we'd be happy to send it to you free, confidential, no obligation. And if you or someone you know or love is injured on the job here in Colorado, there is a law firm who represents injured workers. That's all we do. That's all we've been doing since 1995, and we would love to be able to help you. We've got fabulously experienced attorneys, and all we do is work comp, which means we're great at that, and we kind of are boring at parties. And so give us a call, 970-356-9898. Come to our website, www.kaplanmorrell.com, and we'd be happy to talk with you and see how we can make your walk a little easier. Have a great afternoon, and thank you for spending part of your day with me.